Good day, Dr. Herman Crawford here. Imagine Vegas lights, Super Bowl hype, and $10,000 for a nosebleed seat. Brace yourself, football fans, because Sin City's gonna test your wallet more than Lady Luck ever could. Hotels, forget affordable. Think second mortgage. Food, Michelin-starred snacks at hot dog prices, forget about it. Rideshare, more like chariot pulled by unicorns, and they charge extra for glitter. But hey, it's the Super Bowl. Maybe win the lottery beforehand, or just wear your fanciest pajamas and pretend you're there. Either way, Vegas is about to get richer, and our bank accounts, well, let's just say they'll need therapy. Liking this content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Good journey.